Social media banners demand visual interest without clutter, and a well-balanced repeating design can achieve that effortlessly. How to design social media banner patterns. Open Photoshop and create a square canvas around 1700 pixels, then design a simple motif using brushes or shapes that matches the intended theme. Duplicate it across the surface using alignment tools so spacing stays uniform. Select harmonious colors that match branding and adjust them with hue saturation for consistency. Apply filter, other, offset to verify seamless tiling and reposition any edge elements if needed. Reduce opacity slightly to keep the pattern supportive rather than dominant.